Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a weekly planner in Google Sheets with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, you'll use Claude to help generate a simple prompt or starting point for building a weekly planner in Google Sheets. This is a helpful approach if you want to save time, organize your ideas, or get a clean structure before you begin customizing your planner. To get started, open Claude in your browser and go to the New Chat page. Starting with a fresh chat helps keep the conversation focused, especially if you want a clear response tailored specifically to creating a weekly planner. Once the new chat screen is open, take a moment to make sure you're ready to describe what you want. In this case, the goal is a weekly planner that can be used in Google Sheets. Next, click into the message box and enter a sample prompt about making a weekly planner in Google Sheets. Your prompt can be simple and direct, such as asking Claude to create a weekly planner layout for Google Sheets with days of the week, time slots, and space for tasks or notes. If you already know how you want your planner to look, you can be a little more specific. For example, you might mention whether you want a minimal design, a productivity-focused layout, or a planner that separates work and personal tasks. The clearer your request, the more useful the response is likely to be. After entering the prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a response based on your request. This response can give you a structure, template idea, or even text you can use to build your planner inside Google Sheets. If the first result isn't exactly what you need, you can continue refining your request in the chat by adjusting the wording and asking for changes until the layout feels right for your workflow. As you do this, remember that AI works best when given clear instructions. Short prompts are fine for a quick result, but adding a little detail often leads to a more practical planner format. Once you have a response you like, you'll be ready to take that output and use it as the foundation for your planner in Google Sheets. That's all for this part of the process. You've now opened a new chat in Claude, entered a prompt about creating a weekly planner in Google Sheets, and submitted it to receive helpful planning guidance.